Hello everyone, welcome. I am Snehal from Ksolves product team. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for taking the interest in Arc Backend theme video. Before introducing Arc theme, I would like to introduce about the Ksolves. We are software and product development company. We are providing a services to the organization of all sizes, right from Fortune 500 companies to the startup buildings. We leverage the latest technologies to untangle the complex client problems and put them on a path to a success. Let's have a look at it why the Ksolves is a best option for you. We are CMMI level 3 certified. We have 400 plus developers and architects with us. We are Adobe Bronze Solution Partner and Salesforce Partner along with the 85% client retention rate. Now let's move towards a arc theme. If you are bored with Odoo default design and you want to redesign your ERP backend with new design and functionalities, Ksolves provide you a unique solution with two-in-one arc theme. Anyone who uses or works with Odoo backend can use the arc theme. Let's have a look for a demo. To get a demo started, click on a live demo and a following screen will appear. Let's see a one by one features that Ksolves is offering. Global feature options allows you to search a menus and application that are in a Odoo. This is a app drawer option that shows us how many apps or the list of all apps that are installed on your Odoo. If you want to mark a favorite a certain app, you just have to click on this star and click on this star option where the apps will get marked as a favorite app. Now let's move towards a theme style. We are offering you a two types of different theme, curve theme and box theme. This is a curve theme. If you want to change to the box theme, just go on a settings, click on the box, click on a apply and you will see a change in theme. This is how a box theme will look like. If you want to change a color of a background, just go on the setting, click on color thing. We are offering you a 6 type of pre-configured template. Choose a template of your choice, just apply and you can see a change in a background color. If you want to have a full screen of the arc theme, click on a full screen option and you will see the full screen of a arc theme. If you want a magnifier of your screen, just click on a plus button and you will get a magnifier where you can choose a ratio of your choice. Also, if you want to bookmark certain section, just click on this button, click on the plus, add a bookmark of your choice and revisit whenever you want to add it. PWA is an important feature that we are offering. Just click on this option. You will get a dialog box asking it for an install. Just install it. We are also providing a theme that is a mobile responsive, which is a major USB in a market. In organization, we do understand there are different roles and responsibilities. By taking into consideration, we have provided a settings and rights to the different options such as user, company, and global. You can give a settings option as per your choice. So this is all about the arcing theme. To get connected to us, you can visit our website. We are 24 by 7 available to you. Book your demo soon and we will be connected soon. Thank you and stay connected.